Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mind Spark. Okay, previous class I was doing trigonometry and today we'll do some problems. Okay, so these problems are very small problems which are very basic operations which all students should know that. Okay, say for example you are multiplying with sine 30 into sine 60. So here sine 30, the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 and you have to put bracket. This implies, or the teacher will understand that in place of sine 30 you have put the value 1 by 2. So you should put the bracket. Similarly sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Here also you should put the bracket. Okay, that value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now when multiply, these both are fractions. When you multiply, what happens is, this is 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. You have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So you should write like this: 1 into root 3 by 2 into 2. So why this is? Because most of the children find very difficult with this, how to handle this two fraction numbers when you are going to multiply. You should multiply with the numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. Then 1 into root 3 is root 3. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. This is how we should solve the problem when multiplication is there. Suppose same problem when division is there. Okay, sine 30 divided by sine 60. When you divide, okay, first you write sine 30 divided by sine 60. So in place of sine 30 is half, okay, and divided by root 3 by 2. It's also fraction. 1 by 2 is also fraction and root 3 by 2 is also fraction. When you divide, what happens is, you have to take the denominator, the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? That is 2 by root 3. So you have 1 by 2 into 3. Okay, you have to take the reciprocal. Root 3 by 2, you have to take reciprocal. Then 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is left over? 1 into 1 by 1 into root 3. That is 1 into 1 is 1 by root 3. That is the value of when you are going to divide sine 30 by sine 60. So here you are going to get 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. You take the reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. Then 1 into 1. The numerator is having 1 into 1 by 1 into root 3. That is 1 by root 3. This is when you are dividing. Okay. Then comes your addition. When you are adding two numbers. Okay. Say this, when you are adding the value of sine 30 with the value of sine 60. What is the value of sine 30? Half plus root 3 by 2. You put again, you should put bracket. First time you should put bracket. That implies that you are putting the value of sine 30. You are replacing that by 1 by 2. Now here you can see 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Since the denominators, you can see 1 by 2, 2 is the denominator, here 2 is the denominator, and both the denominators are same, then you are going to take the value as single value, that is 2, and directly you can add the numerators. So it is 1 plus root 3. Okay, you should observe that. 1 plus root 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, both the denominators are same. Then you put the single number here, that is 2 you put, and directly you can add the numerators. So this is the value of sine 30 plus sine 60 is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. Is it clear? Okay. Next comes the same value when you are going to find the difference or subtract it. So sine 30 minus sine 60. So what is sine 30 value? 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. So that you will know all the operations: multiplication, division, okay, and addition and subtraction. All the operations the student should know, and they should be very familiar and comfortable with the operations. Now when subtract also same, we have the denominator same are there, then you are going to subtract it, okay, directly the numerator. This is a value for sine 30 minus sine 60 is equal to, this is a value for. So now children, all you have learnt about how to do multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay, thank you for listening.